Alarm blares. It's 6 a.m. Another day begins. Sound familiar? You're a woman on a mission, juggling work, family, friends, and somehow, maybe, finding time to sleep. Your day is a blur of emails, errands, and endless to-do lists. Coffee fuels your superhero powers. You're amazing, but girl, you're tired. The mental load? Heavy. The pressure? Intense. We've all been there. That feeling of being pulled in a million directions. It's exhausting. But guess what? There's a way to find calm amidst the chaos. It's time to ditch the overwhelm and embrace a secret weapon, mindfulness. Don't worry, it's not about chanting on a mountaintop, unless you're into that. It's about finding peace in the present moment, even with a schedule that would make a CEO sweat. Mindfulness. It sounds complicated, but it's really quite simple. It's about being present, right here, right now. It's about tuning into the moment and letting go of distractions. Not worrying about that overflowing inbox or tomorrow's presentation. It's about giving yourself permission to pause and breathe. It's about noticing the world around you. The rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the gentle sway of the trees, the taste of your coffee, the sound of laughter, the warmth of a shared moment with friends, the feeling of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze that brushes past you. These small moments are often overlooked but are so vital. Think of your mind like a web browser with a million tabs open. Overwhelmed much? All those thoughts and worries can clutter your mind. Mindfulness is like hitting the close all tabs button. Suddenly, things become clearer. You can breathe easier, think more clearly, and feel more at peace. You can focus on what truly matters. The benefits? Endless. Less stress, improved focus, better sleep, greater emotional resilience. It's like a reset button for your mind. It's like giving your mind a much-needed spa day. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment or a specific place. You don't need to carve out hours from your already packed schedule. Just a few moments here and there can make a significant difference. Even 5 minutes can make a world of difference. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and give yourself the gift of mindfulness. Your mind and body will thank you. So, how do you actually do mindfulness? It might seem like a daunting task, especially when your schedule is packed to the brim. But don't worry, mindfulness is more accessible than you might think. It's easier than you think. You don't need to carve out hours of your day or find a secluded spot in the mountains. Mindfulness can be practiced anywhere, anytime. Here are a few quick and easy techniques that even the busiest woman can master. The 3-breath break. This is a powerful tool to reset your mind and body. Feeling overwhelmed? Stop. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Focus on the feeling of your breath. Notice how the air fills your lungs and then gently leaves your body. That's it. You've just pressed pause on the chaos. This simple act can help you regain control and clarity. The sensory check-in. This technique is all about reconnecting with your immediate environment. Take a moment to engage your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Look around and notice the colors, shapes, and textures. Listen to the sounds around you, whether it's the hum of a computer or the chirping of birds. This simple exercise brings you back to the present moment, grounding you in reality. It helps you break free from the whirlwind of thoughts and focus on the here and now, the gratitude list. This is a wonderful way to end your day on a positive note. Before bed, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Big or small, it doesn't matter. It could be a kind gesture from a friend, a delicious meal, or simply the fact that you made it through the day. This practice cultivates positivity and reminds you of the good in your life. Over time, you'll find yourself looking for things to be grateful for throughout the day, which can significantly boost your mood and outlook. See? No fancy equipment or hours of meditation required. These techniques are designed to be simple and effective, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. Just simple techniques that fit seamlessly into your crazy busy life. So the next time you feel the stress creeping in, remember these quick mindfulness techniques. They are your tools to find calm amidst the chaos. Let's be real, life gets messy. It's not always the picture-perfect scenes we see on social media. Sometimes it's a cluttered desk, a messy hair day, and a coffee mug that's been refilled one too many times. Kids screaming, deadlines looming, traffic jams testing your patience. These are the moments that can make you feel like you're losing control, like the world is spinning too fast. But even in the midst of chaos, you can find moments of mindfulness. It's not about escaping reality, but embracing it with a different perspective. Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, frustration building. The clock is ticking, and you're late for an important meeting. Your mind races with thoughts of what could go wrong. Instead of honking your horn, we've all been there. Take a deep breath. Engage your senses. Feel the air filling your lungs, and then slowly release it. This simple act can create a moment of calm. Notice the colors of the cars around you, the red, blue, and yellow vehicles that form a moving mosaic. Each car has a story, a destination, just like you. The feeling of the steering wheel in your hands, the texture, the temperature. It's a grounding sensation that connects you to the present moment. The sound of the radio, whether it's music, news, or talk shows, let the sounds wash over you. Listen without judgment, just be present with the noise. You're not magically transported to a tropical beach, but you've shifted your focus. The frustration lessens. You're present. In this moment, you're not just a driver stuck in traffic. You're a mindful observer of your surroundings. Or maybe it's the middle of a hectic workday. The office is buzzing with activity, and your to-do list seems endless. Emails piling up, phone ringing off the hook. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, like you're drowning in a sea of tasks and responsibilities. Step away from your desk. Give yourself permission to take a break, even if it's just for a few minutes. This small act of self-care can make a big difference. Find a quiet corner or even the bathroom stall. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this process, feeling the tension melt away with each breath. Feel the tension release from your shoulders. Notice how your body responds to this mindful breathing. Your muscles relax, your mind clears, and you feel a sense of calm washing over you. You've just hit the reset button. You're ready to tackle your tasks with a renewed sense of focus and clarity. Mindfulness has given you the power to pause and reset. Mindfulness isn't about achieving a state of perfect zen. It's not about escaping to a mountaintop or a secluded retreat. It's about finding moments of peace and clarity amidst the chaos of everyday life. It's about being present, fully engaged in the here and now. It's about recognizing that even in the busiest, most stressful moments, you have the power to find calm. You have the power to be mindful. Section 5. Your Mindfulness Toolkit. A quick recap. Remember these quick and easy mindfulness techniques. The 3-breath break. 3 deep breaths to hit the pause button. The sensory check-in. Engage your senses to ground yourself in the present. The gratitude list. Cultivate positivity by acknowledging the good in your life. These simple tools can be your secret weapons against stress and overwhelm. Keep them handy and use them whenever you need a moment of peace. You deserve a timeout, prioritizing your well-being. In a world that glorifies busyness, it's easy to forget about the most important person, you. We're conditioned to put everyone else's needs first. But here's a radical thought. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Think of it like this. You can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself isn't a luxury, it's an investment. An investment in your well-being, your happiness, and your ability to show up as the best version of yourself. So give yourself permission to prioritize your well-being. Even if it's just 5 minutes of mindfulness a day, you deserve it. The ripple effect of mindfulness, from you to the world. Here's a secret. Mindfulness isn't just about you. When you're more present, more grounded, and less reactive, it impacts everyone around you. Your family, your friends, your colleagues, they all benefit from a calmer, more centered you. Imagine this. Your child spills juice all over the floor. Your initial reaction? Frustration, maybe even anger. But what if, instead of reacting impulsively, you took a deep breath? Reminded yourself that it's just juice, that your child didn't do it on purpose. You respond with patience and understanding. The situation diffuses. Everyone wins. Mindfulness has a ripple effect. It starts with you, but it spreads outwards, creating a more peaceful and harmonious environment for everyone. Start small, dream big. Mindfulness for a brighter future. Don't let the simplicity of mindfulness fool you. It's a powerful tool for personal transformation. It's about making conscious choices, cultivating self-awareness, and approaching life with greater intention. It's about breaking free from autopilot and truly experiencing the richness of each moment. The taste of your morning coffee, the laughter of your loved ones, the beauty of a sunset. Life is happening right now, and mindfulness allows you to fully embrace it. So start small, 5 minutes a day, 3 deep breaths, a moment of gratitude, and watch as mindfulness transforms your life, one breath at a time. your journey to inner peace. Embrace the power of now. The journey to mindfulness is just that, a journey. There will be days when you nail it, and days when you forget to take a single mindful breath. And that's okay. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's about progress, not perfection. So be kind to yourself. Embrace the journey. And remember, the present moment is all we ever have. Choose to make it count. Now go forth and find your peace, one mindful moment at a time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on Happy Life Secrets TV. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think, or share your own secrets to a happy life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. We're here to bring a smile to your day with tips, tricks, and secrets to a happier life. See you in the next video.
Today is another good day. Unlock the path to your best self. Discover the transformative power of the 12 happy life secrets. Embrace all of them and watch your happiness thrive. Remember, your happy life is an inside job.